So, hey everyone, um, my name is Kumar Shrivastava, and currently I am a final year computer science engineering student and a software development intern at Eldas Technologies. So, today we are going to tackle an exciting problem that is going to take us all the way to the Mars. Well, sort of not. We won't be physically going there, but we will be exploring the concepts of weight on Mars compared to Earth. Okay, so let's dive in. Imagine you are an astronaut and you want to know how much do you weigh on Mars. Well, lucky for us, we have Python to do that. Okay, so let's write some code. I'm going to pull up my code editor. Okay. So yeah. So here's my trusty code editor, and we are going to create a Python program uh, that prompts the user to enter their weight on Earth, and then we will calculate their weight on Mars. Okay. So let's start coding right away. Okay. And now I want you to pay close attention as we break down the code step by step. Okay. So first we define a constant known as Mars multiple, okay, and set it equal to 0.378. Okay. So this constant represents the percentage of weight on Mars compared to Earth. Okay. Like constants are like locked boxes. Okay. And once we set their value, it doesn't change. Yeah. So next we define the main function, right? And this is where the main action of our program happens. Inside this function, we prompt the user to enter their weight on Earth using the input function. Whatever the user types gets stored as a string in a variable called Earth weight string. Okay. So Earth weight string, it is, then we get input. Okay. So we are going to give input enter a weight on Earth. Yeah. And now the input returns a value, okay, in the form of string. So we need to get the number out from it. Okay. So now we need to convert the string into a floating point number using the float function, okay, that will be stored in the variable earth weight. Okay. So earth weight is equal to float earth weight string. Okay. So now moving on, we calculate the weight on Mars by multiplying uh, our Earth weight by our Mars multiple constant. So this gives the equivalent weight on Mars, which we will be storing in our Mars weight variable. So in this, we will be multiplying. Okay. So in this, we will be multiplying my Earth weight with my Mars multiple. Okay, so we here have a spelling mistake. We can correct it now, no issues. And yeah, so our Earth weight multiplied by mass multiple is stored in the variable mass weight. Okay, and finally, uh, we print out the result using the print function. Okay, print function and the equivalent weight. Okay, on Mars is plus, and we will again convert this value of Mars weight to string Mars weight, and there you are. Okay, and there you have it, a clear and concise Python program that calculates your weight on Mars and lets it run it and see the magic happen. Okay, okay, so a Python program. So we explored the concept of weight on Mars using Python. We learned about constants, variables, input, print functions, and remember variables are like little boxes in your computer where you store stuff. They have a name, a type, and a value. Enter the weight on Earth, 72. So weight on Mars is 27.216.